Alright, here we go. This ain't gonna be easy. I had to start recording before I even strap it, so you guys are gonna get to see my ugly mug while I strap it down. But anyhow, gonna use some regular clear packing tape. Hopefully it'll work. I think it ought to. But I sorely hate to be mistaken. That's gonna work though, just fine. Strap there. Probably only use like 3 pieces of tape too. And the iPhone is gonna get ready to take flight on the accipiter badius. Uh-oh. The accipiter badius. The wind is picking up too, so I better hurry, because that shortens my battery life and everything like that. Got a couple on there. Hopefully you can see good there. And one more piece of tape and I think we'll be off and ready to fly. I hope this tape doesn't mess anything up as far as what you can see. Let's see if I can get it on this side. There we go. Aerodynamics either. Doubt that also. Anyhow, I think we're ready to do this. Oh shoot. Should be strapped on it pretty well too. It shouldn't be going anywhere. Woo! I'm a little nervous actually. I'm a little bit nervous. Alright. Let's do this. This is the iPhone inside of the otterbox Defender case, strapped to my RC airplane. Check my controls. Don't want to get up in the air and not have control. That would suck. Alright. Power. Heavy. I don't know if it's gonna have lift. There ain't no wind either. Oh well, here goes nothing. Test number 1. got to fly it to me and catch it. That was pretty tight. I almost broke something though. Luckily I caught it. Oh, maybe one more little. Nah, you know what? Let's not push our luck, should we? I don't know if I have enough power to do anything. You know, I'm not gonna try it again, just due to the fact that my power is low. It'll glide, but I don't want to scratch up my phone and stuff and have a sorry landing. I think that was a good ending to the story there. Flew it around for a while, flew it to me, caught it. That was pretty tight. Check it out. Rate, subscribe, 5 stars, please. Let me know. And hopefully it recorded.